out in the outskirts of Pittsburgh. This one hooked me up fat last time. What size is it? What size is it? Ooh, it is a size 10. I do prefer these in an 11. But these is just too cheap. 20% and 20% off on top. Holy cow. What the hell? How did I miss this? They had to just brought these out. Really, bro? Really? Jordan 1 High. The Jordan 1 High Retro was $54. The up-tempo slides were $27. Found tons of dope refurb stuff last time. Let's go check out the back wall. You get 40% off the back wall. There are refurbs sprinkled in here and there, but not much. Not much. The SFB1 boots right here go for $83. This is a 10.5. A bunch of these Metcons earlier, $85. $54 for the Pegasus Trail 4s. That might be the cheapest I've ever seen these. If you like hiking, that is crazy cheap. Holy cow. KD Tray 510 go for $50. $120 for the Air Max 1s right here. Got V2K right here going for $60 after the discount. These are going for $80 before the discount. Another one of these, man. Pegasus Trail is crazy cheap. Moving to the 10, $66 for the Witness 7s. iShots going for $55. These calm slides going for $50 for those. Prices are low, but are they even, well, actually, now that I think about it, are they even that low? Because it seems like some of the prices have gone up before they give the 40%. But selection, pretty whatever. I feel like it was like that in LA before I left as well. Look at this, $40. One of the cheapest prices we've ever seen, especially with that 40 off. That comes out to what, $24? Got some boots right here, going for $70. Jaw Steel 120. I chose to not spend the night out here, so I only have a chance to go to a couple of different outlets. And yeah, maybe it's not that big of a deal, because $87 for these, $95 for the Crater Chucks right here, go for $95. Dang. I was so pumped to come here because I found so much dope stuff last time. Hirachis go for $75. Didn't even make it to the Apparel in the last Nike outlet. See if the Apparel tends to be a little bit different since it is hell of a lot colder. $72 for these sweatshirts right here. These are way oversized. Even at XL, they seemed huge, and they got so many t-shirts. What's up with all these t-shirts? Pirates t-shirt going for $30. That is an XL. There's this much small right here. Does that mean too many people wear smalls or nobody wears smalls? It's either one or the other. ACG shirt going for $40. I still don't understand these. Like, looks like you work for a taxi company if you wear those. I don't understand it. They made these in so many different colors, and I don't know who bought them. I hope they had to go on sale big time because they're pretty ugly shirts. I don't know. That's just me though. $20. You get an extra 40 off. So $12, I guess. All right, this is the oversized shirt that I was talking about. This is small. Look at how wide it is. Pretty freaking crazy. This one's the exact same. Holy cow. And they still charging $72. Material's fantastic though. Is that a LeBron t-shirt? That a LeBron t-shirt? Yeah, I think so. $32. These are mediums. 40% off. Still a shirt right here. Going for $35. Jordan shirt right here. $20. I think this is like the best deal so far in the apparel section. Pants right here, of course, all the long pants, sweats and stuff, they're gonna be able to get more money. So seeing a ton of shorts. See double XL pants right here, $45. Pretty thin though. Yeah, and the rest of the stuff, ton of shorts. What they talk about for these shorts though? $25. Awful colorway. Do got these. Got these huge skate pants. Not an SB though. But yeah, $68 still. Dang. Got these in multiple sizes, and then a bunch of running shorts and stuff. Okay. Moving back to the bigger sizes. And this back section is pretty depressing. Just the same stuff over and over. Isn't this what we saw earlier? In the smaller size for $55. Yeah. More of these. These are all size 12. No extended size pricing or anything And then look at this. This is excluded from the sales, and this is like put out here prominently. Wow, it's like the whitest neighborhood I've ever been to. Holy cow. This section right here is pretty freaking dope. And of course, I was hoping these would be on sale. I would have been good with these going on sale. 110? 110? These worth 110. That's a good question. Kind of like these because it's a little less gaudy with the green glow. I don't know. $110 for that one. They do have plenty of 10.5s. Got quite a few ones, including the metallic golds, midnight navies, plenty of these, black and white, as well as the green glow. Should I just wait for these to go on sale? So I know these are going to eventually go on sale, right? Probably mid this week, maybe late next week, most spots. As soon as they drop to 40% off or 30% off 80, they're going to fly quick. You have to get there within a couple hours. A couple of the Jordan news. All of you guys have been talking about these. Okay, not really. First time we've seen a bunch of Jaws at the Nike outlet. See multiple colorways. Got some LeBron Next Gens. Couple of those. Then the omnipresent budget signatures. Do got the Witnesses. Do got the Immortalities. 80 Trade 510s, as well as these Hyper Dunks. Metcon free 6s. Metcon free 5s. You can kind of see the difference right there. Okay. And then they got a couple more of the free Metcon 5s. Got some Dunks here on the end cap. I don't see them in the aisles. And of course, a plethora of the 2017s. Women's clearance section over here. I forgot to check the huge women's sizes. Dang, they're still getting $120 for these. Got them in size 11, size 10. We've seen these for so cheap. Camarillo would pretty much give those away. $85 for the Pegasus Trail 4s right here. The ends still going for $60. These still going for $65. I feel like we saw this for way cheap. And then these are down to $85. That's not too bad, especially with that 40 off, I guess. That might be the best deal so far. And these still go for $150. Dang, dude. Bigger size, but not too big. Because they're all, what, size 10s? Regular sizes, size 7.5 women's. 2 bills still for those, I guess. That still drops them down to $120. I think it's Trail Forces. Is it me or if they had an influx of these at the outlets? $80 for those. Got GT Cut 2s right here, $85. That's a decent price. You do have refurbished technically. You see that right there, but not really seeing much, dude. Not really seeing much refurbished stuff. GT Cut 3s? GT Cut 3 women's 8s. These are going for $80. That's a hell of a price. $80, especially with that 30 off. Holy cow. That's so comfortable for a basketball shoe. That's about it for the good deals. Even the Air Max 90s right here go for $130. Invincible runs right here, $160. Dang, dude. Alright, I guess we'll take a look at the women's aisles. I kind of have a feeling we're going to see a lot of generic stuff, including all these blazers. We've seen those everywhere. Pegasus Trail 4 Gore-Tex right here. I'm sure with the terrain out here, these are probably a lot more useful than in LA and Southern California, but I guess people go hiking out there too. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature's go for $105. And then got Pegasus, whatever. But yeah, Pegasus 40s, Pegasus Shields. Go for a little bit too much, a little too much. 70, not too bad, I guess. But yeah, most still go for 90-ish. Air Max Thea mids right here. Probably useful for the locals. Woodside Chukka 2s. Got them in black as well. Alright, that's about it with the women's. They do got random stuff like this. 40% off for newborns right here. $17 and then an additional 40 off. That's actually a hell of a deal. They got these right here. That's a onesie and some socks. $10, 40% off. These are normally $17. Got these right here. These are men's 6 to 8, $10, another 40 off on top. And budget backpacks down here, 40% off of these, $30, 40 off, and then 40 off of these. And I forgot to show you guys the sales table. It is very budgety though, very budgety. Zoom trainers, I don't even know what these are. It does have Zoom Air in it, but Zoom trainers Normally $55, and then you get 40% off, so $33. Get a full box and stuff too. That's interesting. Does that kill it for Amazon sales? Does that kill it for the resale? That's interesting. I've never seen that. That's why I was pointing that out. That's hella interesting. No additional sales on the Nike Elite backpacks, unfortunately. $60 piece for those. These budget ones, you do get an extra 40 off. These are only 20 bucks right here, so it's not bad. All right, I'm gonna have to pass on these. I don't feel like taking one of these home, to be really honest. I do have a carry-on that I can take. I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna see if I can find these for cheap. We'll see. Just gonna show you guys what I'm wearing, but that's interesting. No mirrors, no freaking mirrors. I've never seen a Nike outlet with no mirrors on the back aisles or so whatever. That's crazy. Yeah, no mirrors at all. What the hell? Found one mirror in the women's section. Kind of sounds about right. But yeah, I have been on my feet so much, so I did throw on some Pegasus. What are these? The Pegasus 35 Turbo. Super comfortable. It does have Zoom X. Man, just love these. Did grab them for hella cheap. I think like $35, something like that. I think I bought like 7 or 8 of these. I gave so many of them away. I kept 2, gave so many of them away, literally for presents and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm wearing my Jordan puffy jacket, puffy jacket, whatever the hell it's called. But yeah, Lakers beanie. Cold as hell, man. It's like 40 degrees. I don't think it's gone over like 42, 43. And it's been raining and stuff like that, man. Speaking of puffy jackets, you got these poofy jackets right here. 120 for the full length one. Not as poofy as mine, but it goes down further. I do got some decent sales on apparel, but I gotta go because I have additional videos that I need to make. I need to make at least one more video. Oh, can't go this way. And it is raining outside. Yeah, 1 day work trip. I'm gonna try to make one more video. I could have stayed one more night, but man, I got so much crap to do at home. So we out, man. We out. See you guys in the next one. I don't think I showed you guys my ride of the day. Nissan Sentra. Never really liked the Sentra. These are growing on me though. This ain't bad. I think I'm getting good gas mileage. I don't really know. But yeah, that's my ride for the day. This is the inside. Like I said, it's not bad. It's not bad. Looks really nice. Has some nice features in it. Says I'm averaging 52 miles per gallon. I don't think that's true though. I really don't think that's true. That means I only used 3 gallons, and that means it's not like a 5-gallon tank. Yeah, that's way off. Way off. All right, I am kind of wrapping it up here in Pittsburgh. Look at the price of gas, you guys. $3.07. Drove about 200 miles. 26 bucks. Not bad at all. Whenever you guys rent a car, you guys make sure you guys check the gas gauge. This car was not full, and the lady was like, "Oh, it's full." I was like, "No, it's not. No, it's not." I took a picture, showed her. She wrote on the paper that it's 95% full. That shit was not 95% full. So I am gonna make sure I drive this like 40 miles before I give it back to him. Yeah, I'm gonna drive like 40 miles. I think I'm about 40 miles away from the gas station. So yeah, it's the principle. It's the principle. Don't tell me it's full if it's not full, you know? And then on top of that, did you guys know when you guys get on a plane, you guys can take ice? You can't take water, but you can take ice. So I always make sure I fill this with ice and then just drink the water right before I get on the plane. And you can refill inside on the water fountain when you get in. You do get a work-funded dinner. This is gonna be my work-funded dinner. I'm trying to eat healthy, but I could splurge on one thing. But yeah, my $5 work-funded dinner, because I really don't want to eat that much. And then I'm going to fill this with ice. I'm going to fill it with ice. Then I'll be good for the plane ride. Look at this, $3.48 for this. There's no way we'd pay that in LA. And then she said, yeah, just go fill it up. I told her she could charge me if she wants for me to get some ice. And she says, whatever it is. I forgot to show you guys the inside of Sonico. But yeah, just a gas station. Nothing crazy. It's not dope like Quick Trip. That's my favorite gas station. Still out in Pittsburgh at the Grove City outlets. They do have a Lids. Let's say 30% off jerseys. Let's see if this New Balance got anything new. Got a little heat section right here. Last store at this mall. Got a Steelers Pro Shop here. Do have a little sales section in the back right here. Last stop, right before the airport. These are normally $115, grabbing them for $30. But I forgot they do have a lids inside the airport.